guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited for today's episode because we are going to unbox the Christmas basket I received from my company. So every year, every December, aside of waiting for the 13-month pay or the bonus, I'm also expecting a Christmas giveaways from my company. So every company gave or will give you different Christmas giveaway. So like my previous company, I was received tumbler, umbrella, jacket, or whatsoever. But this year, feeling ko ginalingan talaga ng company ko. So we are going to open the Christmas basket. So I'm going to get this. This time we are going to open the Christmas basket and I'm going to show you what's inside the basket. So I have here the first item. First item is the Pure Foods Fiesta Ham. Okay, this is one of my favorite items. Okay, we're gonna get more. Another that we have here is the Marca Pato Queso de Bola. And next, we have chips here. Okay, so this is the original flavors. Sorry. And next is the Ferrero collection. So it has 3 flavors, I think. And another is the so we have it here, the Welsh Sparkling Red Grape. Welsh. And next item is the, if you are gonna get, so we have here for pasta. Okay, so Barilla brand, and the Spam. So my favorite Spam. Okay, so my favorite Spam. And the fruit cocktail. We have the fruit cocktail here. And next is the my favorite. This is my favorite. Dandas pistachio. And it's we have the chips here. Okay. Oh, chips here. One of my favorite cookies. We have the cereal extra virgin olive oil. So I don't need to buy a olive oil anymore for this Christmas. Okay, next is the Montes. So we have I think it's a wine. We have a wine here. I'm not a fan of wine or a champagne, because I'm a fan of JD. We have the corned beef here. Okay, here's it. We have what we have here again is the Salico. Okay, Italian tomatoes. I can use this on my pasta. And the duck ham. So we have 2 hams, and I think 3 because I have the Pure Foods ham. And we have a beer back. Okay, we have the Bragg organic apple cider vinegar here. And the last, I think this is the last. Okay, we have the Barilla fettuccine pasta. So I'm so happy for all the items inside my basket. That I'm so excited to eat all of this, especially my pistachios and my Ferrero. And I think my daughter is gonna be happy for this. This is her favorite. So that's all for today, guys. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like.